Alam ko na marami tayong haharapin na pagsubok. Pangako ko na lagi mo akong kasama sa pagharap nito. Pangako ko na susuportahan ko ang ating pamilya habang buhay.
Brothers and sisters in Christ, once again, I present to you our newlywed couple, Alvir and Karen.
Marami akong katangian na nagustuhan sa'yo. Isa na dito ay pag napapatawa kita sa mga biro or mga gawain ko. Feel ko tuloy ang galing kong magpatawa. Pangalawa, ang iyong mga mata. Alam kong corny sabihin, pero totoo, dahil ito ang unang bagay na kapag-pa-in love sa akin.
Do you remember, I had so much to say, anything to make you stay, anything to hear you talk. Do you remember, I had to work so hard to strip you of your guard, but baby just take it off. 'Cause I remember when everything wasn't known, and we still felt alone, and we were better off. We had nothing but everything to gain. Now we could lose it all. We had nothing but everything left to say. Now silence says it all. Silence says it all.
Matagpuan ko ang lalaki na magsasabi na ako ang pinakamagandang babae na nakilala niya.
Pakakasalan ko ang pinakamagandang babae sa buong mundo.
There's nothing left to imagine. I've seen this episode. What is there to chase down when we already know? 'Cause I remember when everything wasn't known, we still felt alone, and we were better off. We had nothing but everything to gain. Now we could lose it all.
Gaya nga ng lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, salamat sa pagmamahal. Salamat, salamat, I love you.
We had nothing but everything to gain. Now we could lose it all. We could lose it all. We had nothing, everything left to say. Now silence says it all.